mid-thigh.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna be cold. Oh, it's so cold.
Or deeper. Or maybe a little higher than mid-thigh.
He's not yanking our chain. Oh my God, this is exactly what I didn't want to do.
We were just talking about what would we do? Would we take our shoes off and swim?
I think you shoes.
Oh man.
And then you got to go back and get them?
It's water, your name's water.
Wow. Amazing.
Okay.
Most ultras you gotta run with wet feet, right?
Oh, we might be really high. Okay, I'm
You jump.
Jennifer!
You are beast mode. Good job. Now you have to go.
I'm gonna fall over!
graceful.
There you go. Hold your hand.
Oh, wow.
Come on, Johnny, it wasn't that bad. Okay, I'm glad
Dean
we played
Johnson.
now. Bye, Dean. Thank you.
Yeah, it's over there.
A little sticky in the bottom.
That's deep!
Deep.
Oh my word! Thank you!
Alright.
Well, okay, yeah, go ahead.
Here comes a jumper.
He's gonna do a running leap! Let's see! Oh yes,
Woo!
does that.
Oh!
No. Unless you can walk across it, I don't know.
Ramp here.
Seasoned runner.
Like a ramp would have been better.
Yeah.
Or
Well, you're not the only one that's done that.
Whoa! Whoa! Right there.
Stop, really?
And it's mucky. Don't try and stop. Keep walking. Don't try and stop.
Oh,
I don't want to. I don't want to.
Oh!
Oh no! Oh my God! You're being serious. Okay. I don't want to do this. Just do it. Like no part of me wants to. Come on, Laura. No. It actually felt nice.
Just fall on your butt.
Joanne just ripped right through there. Yeah, I know.
my God.
Go, 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 go! Good job.
Where did people come from? Oh my God.
Derek had the best move ever.
Slidier.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, as long as you move, keep moving. Stop, just keep moving. Keep moving. Yes. Just don't try and stop. If you go quick, it's the best move. Yeah, just like that.
Might never train for it, but that's fine.
Don't try and stop. Go, just go for it. Go, 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 go.
Go, go, lock straight.
Yeah, go, 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 go.
Hammer through.
Yes.
It's that Spartan race. That's all we have.
Don't stop. Don't stop.
Don't stop, Susan.
Yep. Okay, you guys are all being baptized here as ultra runners. Don't try and stop. Good job. And don't lose a shoe in there.
It's deep, eh?
Not too bad for you. But Derek, sorry man, your junk's getting wet.
That's why I took the full out. Yeah.
Don't try and stop. Your best move is to keep moving.
That is deep mud.
Derek did in nicely.
Are you taking your shoes off?
And if there's cramp in there.
I hate when I have white shoes too, but I think I hate.
It's mostly cow shit, so. Just kidding.
I was joking about this. I can't believe the last. I think that mud is in the bottom.
It's-
Right where you go. I go to the left. Go to the left. Yeah. Because it is deep from the post to the post.
I want to tell you my level of impressiveness with it. Whoa.
There's not even crayfish in there. You guys are badass. Good job.
That sucks. But I did it. Bye, Dean.
All right.
That didn't sound very nice.
I'll be looking over my shoulder. It's a nice bridge.
It's a beautiful bridge.
I wouldn't want to go across there.
Oh, look. Well made, huh?
Yeah, strong. Yeah, looking
All right.
good.
Good. Dry feet.